Hi there, it's Maureen, the Knitting Mama. I'm here for my 4th video out of 5 on how to knit squares, 12-inch squares to make a beautiful sofa throw. I taught you how to do the garter, which was knitting and knitting back and forth. I taught you how to do the stockinette, which was knit 1 row and then purl 1 row. The third stitch I taught you was the seat stitch, my favorite. Well, I love knitting anyhow. All of them are my favorite. So the seat stitch I taught you, which is knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and then at the last one you switch it to the opposite. So if you end with purl, you start with knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, back and forth. And now I'm going to show you how to do the basket weave stitch. Now this is fun. It's just a beautiful design. It's very interesting. I've made hats with this basket weave, and I just think it's just a very interesting stitch. You could do intervals of 4, 3, 5. I do 4 just because it looks nice for me, and I just cast on 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So I cast on 24, and that's a 12-inch square. So what I do, so it's 4 squares, it's 4 stitches and then 4 rows, okay, to make a perfect square. And I just completed the 4 purls here. So now I'm going to switch it off so it could be knits. So I'm going to knit 1, and I'm going to knit 2, knit 3, and then knit 4, and then I'm going to change it to purls to do the opposite of this. So I'm going to purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to teach you the knit. So we go all the way through, and then we're just doing the opposite to create this beautiful squares. So the knit, because this is a purl, you see the bump to knit. 1, 2, you wrap it, 3, pull it through, and then 4 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 3, and 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to purl the next 4. Bring it to the front. You're working yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the front, wrap it towards you, pull it through, and take it off. If you watch this video over and over, you will definitely get the hang of this. And look, we're going to start. Might as well finish that for you. So I brought the working yarn to the back, and I'm going to knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and then knit 4, and then I'm going to purl the last 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, when all the stitches are in your right hand, you put those stitches in your left hand, that needle, and then you just start again. And you start with the knits. Alrighty? I hope you enjoy making a basket weave stitch and your 12-inch squares. We need 49 of them. So, and basically I used a Charisma yarn, and I used 2. This will give me 2 12-inch squares. But when you get this on sale, it's worth it. And I hope you're enjoying it, and stay tuned for my 5th video, which is going to show you how to connect the squares. Alrighty, thank you.